Mohammed Shah Sheikh. Mohammed Shah Sheikh. Redwan. And from GC. Yes.
Hello everyone, and Alhamdulillah for
Please listen.
everything that God has blessed me with a lot of things in my life. So I belong to a very backward area, so-called backward area, and I belong to South Punjab. And back in my during pursuing my middle classes, only three students of my class just see the university. So I'm one of that student. And after that, from that stage to coming to the GC and getting second position in my class of the Department of English Literature, it's a huge privilege for me. Another achievement for me is that I see a lot of cases in my area that women education is not preferred in my area. So me along with my parents and my aunt who is a professor of economics started this vision to pursue girls education in our area. So we started to my father took this initiative and we started a first female girls college in our area. And And the third achievement for me is that I have selected in Qasim Ali Shah Foundation, and as sir already mentioned that Allah's plans is best. Thank you so much.